Hi everyone, it's Annika from QLD Property Services. Today I'm at 32 Chandler Street in Garbutt and I'm going to be taking you through a 3D walkthrough tour. Heading in here we have the kitchen, lounge, living and dining area. So as you can see, a nice beautiful kitchen with an island bench, plenty of space and storage, as well as the large living area here as well. Heading down we have bedroom number 3 on the left hand side. As you can see, plenty of storage in this bedroom as well and very spacious. And we have a laundry, again lots of storage in this area, which is really great. Heading into the main bedroom of the property now, you will see there is a large walk-in robe as well as an ensuite in the main bedroom. Into bedroom number 2, again super spacious, lots and lots of storage in these bedrooms and throughout the property. And heading into the main bathroom of this property, you will see there is a shower as well as a bathtub in this area. That is it for this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property at 32 Chandler Street in Garbutt. Thank you.